The world is in crisis. Between social injustice, ecological and climatic catastrophe, conflict and ill health, we all need to work together to find solutions. As the next generation of changemakers, you are our future. But at the University of Manchester, we can offer you the opportunity to enact positive change for the world right now as part of your degree learning. Through our University Living Lab, you can help organisations address challenges focused on the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals as part of your studies. Whatever your course, you can choose to tackle issues such as gender equality, industry and infrastructure and climate change, right through to health and well-being, fair growth and educational attainment, and many more. With projects set by organisations based around the world, there's a vast range of challenges for you to choose from. A project might invite you to undertake a case study or policy analysis, develop a sustainability strategy, or to conduct fieldwork to better understand a problem. Designed to be versatile, University Living Lab projects can be tailored to suit your degree and assessment. Our projects can provide inspiration for your dissertation, frame an essay, or shape a part of your fieldwork. We ensure that all assessments that have received a mark of 65% or more are sent to the organisation who set the challenge so that they can utilise your research and recommendations. We ask organisations to share the impact of your project so you have a chance to hear how you have personally made a difference. Already, students have framed international urban health research, shaped climate policy, constructed sustainable infrastructure, and provided invaluable insights to organisations in the Global South. The University Living Lab also offers a unique opportunity to build your employability skills. Students have gone on to work for the organisations they undertook projects for, whilst many others attribute their employment to the skills and experience they developed through their University Living Lab project. Help us enact real-world change now as part of your studies. Partner with us through the University Living Lab.